Hey Pisces, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. Overall, guys, I'm seeing that somebody's definitely trying to heal some type of family situation. So this could be childhood trauma. This could be them having like kids with you, or a child or children with someone else. This could be their immediate family. So it can go a couple of different ways. But I do feel like they have strong feelings for you, and they want you to give them another chance, because this person, I feel like they're planning on proposing to you. You know, yes, they want to be in a commitment with you, but the plan is to propose to you to then basically marry you. That's the plan. Bottom of the deck, I have the Five of Pentacles. So this person left you out in the cold. Yep, I have another five. So, and they're in their head about it. You know, they're feeling like, okay, they're not going to be able to have a commitment with you. They may not be able to marry you. But they're needing to get out of a third-party situation. So I will say this. For some of you, they could be in a relationship. They could be married. They could just be committed to someone else, right? And they're needing to break free from them in order for them to have a life with you. See? It's like this person, you could be dealing with a Taurus, but this person definitely, they want to give you that stable offer, you know, and I do feel like they're listening to their intuition, but at the same time, they're afraid that you're not going to take it. Maybe this person is worried, you know, about their finances. Could be dealing with another Pisces, but see, this is why they're not talking to you right now. But they're not confused. They want to be with you, but they have to get out of some type of family situation first. Look at that. I have two kings aligned. I've definitely been seeing all day other options coming in. So, again, like, you guys could be, you know, out here dating, talking to other people because you've been healing, you know, and this person is afraid that, you know, you're already moving forward with someone else, or they know someone else is going to come in because you're a great catch. And this is why they want to heal things with you. But see, right now, they're not moving forward. Could be dealing with an Aquarius. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. Yeah, and they're not happy. This person wants to move forward with you, but they can't, and they're upset about it. It's some type of family situation that they're in. See, they're back and forth with the Three of Cups. See what I'm saying? It's like this person wants to remove themselves from this third-party situation, but they're afraid that they can't just yet. They can't. Yep. So I'm seeing that they're afraid that you're not going to give them any time, effort, or energy anymore because of the little to no communication. See, they're back and forth. They want a new opportunity with you in order to have a victory, but they're feeling like they're not going to have a victory because maybe you don't want them anymore. Could be dealing with a Leo. But this person, it's like they just don't have the strength to come towards you just yet, and they are frustrated because they feel like they lost you for good. They're like, if I don't make a move, or if I can't come towards Pisces or Crosswatcher, I'm going to lose him or her for good. See, they got to make a decision. This person, they definitely want to have this new beginning with you. Could be dealing with the Capricorn. Why is the devil here? Ooh, Lord. Hold on. Back and forth. They're trying to, okay. I'm going to be honest with you, there's somebody around them. This could be family that's very manipulative, or someone they have a family with. There's somebody around them. Their energy's not good. Because even the High Priestess tried to jump out, and I don't like that those two cards together. So this is someone that, you know, is gifted, but I feel like they use their gifts for the wrong reasons. Or it's just, the energy's just bad. You get what I'm saying? And it's like this person is trying to get away from this person. See, Nine of Pentacles. I just noticed that. It's like they're going to free themselves from this toxic environment, this toxic situation that they put themselves in. And see, it's like oh Lord, it's like they're going to put in the work, right, when it comes to making things right with you, but there's still some hesitation with doing it, because right now I'm still seeing that they're not really doing anything, that they're not doing much. Could be dealing with the Sagittarius. Right now, it's like they don't know how they're going to be able to balance things out because they have some decisions to make. Oh, Lord. Let's see what all this is about. Hold on, y'all. Oh, okay. All right. So, they have some decisions to make, right? Because of the simple fact that... Lord, this is a lot. I'm getting a headache looking at this. Okay. I feel like in the past, they had other options, guys. Because they messed up. This person stabbed you in the back. Because I'm seeing 2 women here. This person was being a player. There were 2 women. Whether this is family or love, interest, friends, whatever the case is. And because of that, they feel like, you know, you cut them off for good. And see, with both of these 5s here, I told you this person, they're in their head a lot. They don't know how they're going to be able to fix this with you. You know, because I'm seeing there could actually be arguments with family or someone in the past revolving around money. Because see, right now I am picking up this person doesn't feel like, okay, financially speaking, they're going to be able to provide, you know, because they do want this new beginning with you, but they're going to have to cut this other person or this other situation off. Yep. They're going to move fast, but I do feel like there were some harsh things that this person said to you. Yeah, in the past, they were being sneaky. Yep. And so now it's like they're going to come out of being frustrated. Look at that. They're going to free themselves out of the situation that they put themselves in. They're going to get out of it. Because see, 1111, they want to be with you. They want to have this happy home with you. But see, right now they can't move forward just yet because they're still going through their lessons in this home or this family situation. See, they got to put an end to their sneaky ways. You know, they have to put an end to this family situation going on. So for some of you, I feel like they're trying to figure out, okay, how can I get myself out of it? See, because it's like this person is responsible for, you know, giving money to someone or paying, you know, something for someone else. Or it could be a situation to where, you know, I'm going to put an end to the situation, but I'm going to have to cough up some money, you know, in order for me to just basically make things right. See, things are going to improve. I have 2 9s. Look at that. I told you they've been going through a cycle. So this karmic cycle that they're in is wrapping up, but they're going through this is a lesson for them. And see, when it comes to you, they're afraid that they're not going to be able to turn things around. And this is why they're not taking a leap. What's on my hand? But you're going to get an offer from them. But they're afraid you're going to walk away. King of Swords tried to come out reverse. So that's letting me know they don't want you to let them go. There's justice. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. I just skipped the signs. Y'all, sorry, y'all. Y'all know how I be when I'm in my little moment. Okay, so look. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. I'm seeing a Virgo. There's a Libra. Why is justice here? Yeah, this person, it's like they want the truth from you. And I'm seeing they're going to be very confident because they're listening to their intuition now. But the thing is, they're feeling like you don't want them anymore. You know, and they're saying that they want things to work out. They definitely want things to improve. But see, I have 2 4s. They want a family life with you. It's like, you're it. I'm telling you, you're it. The problem is, there's still this family situation. You know, this could be their mother. It could be you. But you know what I'm saying? It's like, there's still somebody else here. And this is the problem. This is why this person knows that they hurt you. See, they're back and forth. See, they were avoiding a tower moment. They were avoiding a tower moment. And this is why they know they hurt you. See, because they were involved in some type of codependent situation that they basically were refusing to get out of. They wouldn't let it go. But I'm seeing they're going to make a decision. Again, I'm telling you, they want things to improve not only with you, but with their finances as well. But the thing is, they're trying to figure out, okay, how exactly can I make this work? How exactly can I remove myself out of this situation? See, it's a lot of money here. I feel like they're waiting on something when it comes to their money. But the thing is, they had you waiting around. So I see them being very confident when it does come time for them to make a decision. Yeah, because they already know they're going to take a financial hit if they haven't already. And this is them healing, you know, but they're worried. Why are they worried? That you're not going to take their offer. See? This person, they got to drop their pride, their ego. Because they want to balance this out with you. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries. They don't want you to let them go, but they're unsure if you want to build with them or not. See, I told you. This person, they're afraid you're going to reject them. I'm telling you, Pisces, this person is afraid. So it's like they're trying to stay positive because, see, they're manifesting you. They want to be in a commitment with you. So, look, they're going to move quickly. But I feel like it's still fear. They're like, okay, somebody could be dealing with a Gemini. But it's like, you know, I don't know if I'm going to be able to really... I don't know if this person is going to be able to trust me. You know what I'm saying? Because I did them wrong in the past. But I see that they're trying to figure out, okay, I'm going to have to quickly make a move to get out of this commitment or a situation that I'm committed to. The 6 comes to family, you know, but in the meantime, they keep an eye on you. They watch you from afar. Because, see, at the end of the day, when they get out of it, you're going to get an offer. So, Pisces, you're definitely going to get an offer from this person, but, oh, Lord. Yeah, there's some type of family or living home situation going on right now. Bottom of the deck, I'm seeing the Strength card. Didn't I tell y'all I just did Leo and they had the same the same engagement card? So yeah, you know, I definitely feel like you guys are just having the strength to keep your head held high and move forward. But I'm telling you, somebody's dealing with a Leo. Somebody is. So let's see. Alright, so even though you would like to give this person a chance, the thing is, they're isolating themselves from you. You know, and maybe you're starting to isolate yourself. You're like, you know, I don't have time for this. Yeah, see, you're not confident when it comes to this person. And so what you're doing is you're moving on. I told you. It's like you're trying to have the strength to keep your head held high. And you're basically moving forward. And that's exactly what I'm seeing here. You're trying your best not to look back, see? It's like you're not positive about this person because there's some type of interference. This could be, you know, a mother or some type of mother figure here. And yes, it's like you want things to improve between you and this person, but you're afraid that you're not going to have a victory with them because of some type of home or family situation. So there's a third party here. And it's like, again, you're realizing the truth. You're seeing it for what it is, you know, and it's like at the end of the day, there's a new opportunity coming in for you where things can turn around and things can balance out for you, but you're no longer taking the lead. You know, you're like, I'm not initiating anything. If they want to be with me, they got to fight for me. I see you coming out of being frustrated, but then the next minute you still are because this person isn't taking action. So this is why you're back and forth with making a decision about, okay, what should I do? Yeah, see, you're losing hope. You're losing hope. I'm seeing justice, but the thing is you're getting your karmic justice. You know, that's why this person is going through so much right now because of the decisions that they made. But at the end of the day, you're going to get the Ace of Cups. You're going to get the offer that you deserve. See? Look at that, King of Cups. I told you, you're going to get the offer. I do feel like this person, they're upset and they're hurting because they messed up. But look at that, I got 9 and 10. So your guard is up and you're looking at them like, I may have to let them go. But I'm going to be honest with you. I'm picking up on the other person that messed up. This person's upset because they know your guard is up and they feel like you're going to let them go, you know. And you guys are like, you know, the seeds that I planted with them, I don't feel like they're going to grow. Let me get a couple more. Yeah, because they had you waiting around. And you, right now, it's like, I don't see things improving. I'm not putting any time or energy into them anymore. They hurt me. They hurt me. Alright, but I'm seeing that communication is going to come in. Look at that, 11-11. I told you. So, there's communication coming in. That was your reading. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonated for you guys. Alright, guys. Talk to you soon.